everybody, it's Jacqueline from Long Army by Jacqueline. I'm just going to do a quick little mini tutorial for Watcha Sewin Wednesday. So today I'm making these economy blocks, and some of them have 2 laps around and some of them are like this one. It's just a center square with 1 lap around. And I want to show you this really quick and easy way to get them to align. So you can see that I have folded this top side to put a crease where I want it to go, and the crease is coming up like a mountain. And then I have folded the triangle that's going to go on there in the opposite way. So when I go to align those, I've got both of the peaks when I put the right sides together going the same direction. So what that will do is serve as almost like a pin or an alignment mark where this top piece is going to physically settle and nest down onto that lower peak. If I had the 2 mountains pointing toward each other or away from each other, that wouldn't happen and work out. And you can see on this side, you can do it either direction. You can fold your square so the right sides are together when you fold it, or the right sides are apart when you fold it. So this is a valley, this is a mountain. And you can fold this center square either way, as long as when you put them right sides together, they are going to nest. So I'll just take my 2 mountains and stack them on top of each other, which sort of locks this from sliding side to side. And then I can just take my tail and align it. And because that's on the bias, I'm going to turn that down. And that will cause my feed dogs to sort of snug up that bias instead of pull it apart. A little tricky with my camera in the way. So 1 or 2 anchoring stitches. Make sure that's feeding in, and then I'm sort of sliding this in the little truck that I've made to make this edge align, and then I'll sew my 1/4 inch. And it almost serves as a little pin to hold that center alignment. So an easy way to find and keep your triangle centered, ta-da, when you're doing, anytime you're adding a triangle, which is similar to like a grandmother's economy block.